So you may notice some outdoor noise and also maybe a wind chime going on in the background. That's because my window's open, and guess what? I don't make enough money on YouTube per month to really care about something like that. So it is what it is. Welcome, thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. If you want to give a follow or a subscribe, you can do that if you really want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. This is a free internet TV channel, so you get what you pay for. Hi, pals. Yeah, I don't really know what we're doing today, but I do know this video is sponsored by Reshoevn8r. Let me get some Reshoevn8r products, I guess. Hold on. There you go, some Reshoevn8r stuff. Reshoevn8r is your home for keeping your sneakers clean or cleaning your sneakers or making them not smell bad. When it comes to not smelling bad, they have these. This is the laundry pods. This is for when you put a pair of sneakers in the washer. They also have these. These are the quick wipes. It's an individual wipe that keeps your sneakers clean when you're on the go. So you put this in your messenger bag or your wallet or your purse or whatever. And if you get some schmutz on your shoes that are made of leather or canvas, you can just wipe them off real quick. So that's pretty cool, I guess. But they have a whole bunch of things on their website. Definitely go check them out, reshoevn8r.com, or go down below into the video description, find my referral link, and visit the website through there. And it's actually pretty awesome because they offer free shipping now and free returns, so ordering is super easy. This is the part of the sponsored video where I make up a motto for Reshoevn8r, because I don't know what their actual Reshoevn8r motto is, but hey, Reshoevn8r, because when we can finally go outside, you want your sneakers clean or something? Sure, that works. All right, what's going on today? Hey, here's something. This is something I got this week. These actually came to me from friend and okay internet YouTube sneaker dude, Seth Fowler. Guys can check out Seth's channel. He's probably one of the best in the biz to do it. But recently Seth designed a shoe and did a collaboration with Portuguese company We Are Underdogs and created this, the Seth Fowler Origin 1. Y'all, the quality on these is pretty insane. I will say that. I mean, this is just so cool because Seth is a really good dude. I know a lot of people are like, oh, the shoe's ugly. That's fine. Not every shoe is gonna be liked by everybody. But the thing is this dude designed his own sneaker and got it made. Like, I can put this on my foot and go to, where's a place that I would go to? Go to Dave & Buster's or whatever. I mean, the materials on this shoe are absolutely crazy. I don't mind the colorway. I definitely think they look better with the orange shoelaces on them. I mean, the materials on this shoe are absolutely crazy. So Seth, thank you, and seriously, very good job. I believe these shoes are on sale on his through his website maybe or something like that. I'll post the link down in the video description, but I mean, these are really well done. And if you're into this kind of like casual sneaker, it's a very cool sneaker, I will say that. Thank you, Seth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What else? Oh, hey, I don't know if you know this, but right now, Nike SB Dunks are like super cool, which is pretty awesome because 2 years ago I would have no problem getting any kind of release that I ever wanted. Now it's impossible. So that's pretty cool. And it's funny because people post fit pics of SBs. Hey, guess what? They're skateboarding shoes, not fashion sneakers, but people want to know how to style them. So here is how to style your Nike SB Dunk lows. So someone that calls themselves a rapper wore a model of sneakers you didn't recognize. And after hours of searching on the internet, you found out they were Nike SB Dunks. Seeing as how you've only worn Yeezys and Tiro joggers to school for the past 2 years, you may be confused as to how to style your new pair of Nike Dunk SBs that you bought on StockX for $200 above retail. Well, I'm here to help. The first thing you need to do is buy another pair of the same shoe, but in a half size bigger. It's okay, you have your mom's credit card, so purchase away. As you see here, you can wear them with shorts. You can also wear them with long shorts or pants. You'll also want to ensure that whatever long shorts or pants you're wearing that day are whatever color you feel like wearing. Because who cares? It's also very important to remember to put the shoes on the correct feet. You don't want to look like an idiot on Instagram after all. And there you have it. We hope this tutorial on how to style your new Nike SB Dunks will help you along your way on becoming an even more intolerable trend-jumping sheep. Hey, obviously that was a parody. Don't take it seriously. If you take it seriously, what are you doing? This is YouTube, a free internet television channel, like I said before. Hey, thanks again to Reshoevn8r for sponsoring this video. If you want to check out Reshoevn8r's line of products to keep your sneakers clean or clean your sneakers, go down below into the video description, find my referral link, and visit it through there if you want. That's pretty cool. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Everyone be safe, please. Just be safe. As much as I like to act like I don't care about things, I do care about human life because I have empathy. Something that I know a lot of people lack nowadays. So please be safe, take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Keep it fun. Sneakers are supposed to be fun. I don't know, whatever. Bye!